Hello everyone and welcome back. Are you looking for a digital calendar for your family? Let's compare the three biggest names, Cozyla, Skylight, and Hearth. I tested all three and here's what you need to know. First up, Skylight Calendar. This is the most popular option. It comes in three sizes, 10, 15, or 27 inches. The setup is super easy. You just plug it in, connect it to Wi-Fi, and sync it with Google Calendar. The screen shows everyone's schedule in color-coded sections. It's clean and simple to use. But here's the catch. Skylight costs $600 for the big one, and if you want the best features like meal planning and photo displays, you'll pay an extra $80 per year. That subscription adds up fast. Also, only Google Calendar syncs both ways. Other calendars only work one direction. Next is Hearth Display. This one looks amazing. It has a wooden frame option that makes it look like real furniture on your wall. The screen is 27 inches and it's great for families with young kids. The Routines feature uses simple pictures that kids can understand, even if they can't read yet. The companion app works really well too. Hearth costs $700. There's also a family subscription that costs about $9 per month if you want extra features. The price is high, but you get unlimited profiles and a nice design. Finally, we have Cozyla Calendar. This one does everything the others do plus more. It comes in three sizes like Skylight, but here's the big difference. No subscription fees ever. You can also run apps on it, watch videos, and even make video calls to family. It has Google Assistant and Alexa built in. The cheapest model is $350 for 15 inches. The biggest is $900. So, which one wins? If you want simple and popular, get Skylight. If style matters most and you have little kids, choose Hearth. But if you want the most features with no monthly fees, Cozyla is the best choice. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.